Welcome back to our tour of Athens. Having explored the ancient heart of the city, we now head south to where the marble meets the deep blue Aegean. This is the Athenian Riviera, a stunning stretch of coastline that offers a different perspective on life in this historic capital. Our coastal journey begins in Piraeus, one of the largest and most important ports in the Mediterranean, a gateway between Greece and the world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Tucked away in Piraeus is Mikrolimano, a picturesque crescent-shaped harbor where the rhythm of life is set by the gentle lapping of the waves. Moving along the coast, we reach Flisvos Marina, a hub of luxury and modern leisure, perfect for an evening stroll by the sea. Nearby stands the Stavros Niarchos Foundation Cultural Center, a masterpiece of modern architecture that blends perfectly with the landscape. Its park is a sanctuary of Mediterranean flora, offering a breath of fresh air and a connection to nature in the middle of the city. As we continue south, we arrive in Glyfada, the Riviera's vibrant commercial heart, known for its stylish boutiques and golden beaches. The water here is remarkably clear, a constant reminder of the island-like atmosphere that exists just a short drive from the Acropolis. Next, we find a true natural wonder, Lake Vouliagmeni. Fed by underground thermal springs, its warm waters are said to have healing properties. The lake's limestone caves hold secrets yet to be fully explored, adding an air of mystery to this tranquil spot. Nearby, the legendary Astir Beach has been a playground for the international elite for decades, embodying the glamour of the Riviera. Beyond the beaches, the coastline becomes more rugged. Hidden coves and rocky outcrops offer secluded spots for a swim. The sunsets along this coast are legendary. Each evening, the sky puts on a spectacular show that rivals any island sunset. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The further south we go, the more the landscape opens up, leading us toward the grand finale of Part 2. And there it is, the Temple of Poseidon at Cape Sonion, standing guard over the Aegean since the 5th century BC. Dedicated to the god of the sea, this temple was the last landmark ancient sailors would see as they left home, and the first as they returned. It has inspired poets and travelers for centuries, including Lord Byron, who even carved his name into one of these very stones. From this vantage point, you can truly feel the power of the ancient world and its connection to the sea. As day turns to night, the Temple of Poseidon remains a timeless beacon, a symbol of Greece's enduring maritime legacy. The Riviera never truly sleeps. At night, the coastline transforms into a glittering necklace of lights and energy. We've traveled from the busy ports to the sacred cliffs. Part 2 has shown us the natural and modern beauty of Athens by the sea. But there is one more side of Athens to explore. In our final part, we'll leave the coast and head into the hidden mountains and forests. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.